Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm just reading email for a sec. I had 6 hours before that. I have to look for emails because I have a hey for Ganoff. I have to look for emails because I've got an interview coming, and I need to make sure I don't miss the email. Ready to be awesome today. Do I look like it? I'm tired. I'm actually not that tired. I just woke up. This is a new thing with me. I just get up and turn the camera on. And because I was like, oh, I'm not going to have the camera on ever. And now I'm like picking eye boogers out while I was doing it. You know, whatever. It's whatever. A lot of times when I'm going through my email, now that I have 2 screens, it'll trigger something that I want to comment on. So I figure, what the hell. I have to be really sure I don't miss. One of the reasons I don't think it's wise to manage multiple interviews at the same time, because it's so easy to miss an appointment or something. It's also the reason I'll be buying a smartphone pretty soon, because it helps me manage my time and stuff. Actually, I have one already. I'm just going to put it on the network. Yeah, I don't see anything. Nothing yet, anyway. I'm eventually, in case you're gonna or didn't notice, I'm gonna start doing some more Git man page review. I can update my Git process to be consistent with working on a team with multiple members. I don't do that much. Haven't done that much at all. I haven't done it at all. So that is my primary objective this morning. After I get coffee, I'm just making sure I didn't miss any emails. And if you want to follow along with me, you can just open up your. Somebody very kindly reminded me that the best documentation for Git is the man page. It's not ProGit. It's not the website. It's not some other website. It's the man page, and the man page is always available. So as soon as you forget something, go read the man page. So that immediately made me want to. We have a lot of people that reached out about one-on-one mentoring, and I apologize. I'm just going to say to everybody, I haven't got to all those yet. I think I'm going to try to get to all the mentoring emails before the end of the day. I'm going to I have to put that into the calendar. Put it under my urgent list. update public calendar and add schedule. I'm actually, believe it or not, I am seriously considering using Google Calendar for that, but ProtonMail has a calendar as well. But I'm not so sure people could synchronize it with their own system. I think more people would have Google Calendar. I don't know if I like people using Google Calendar for their private stuff. But we talked about that at length the other day. I've never used ProtonMail Calendar. I'm one of your idols. Yay, man pages. Thank you. Man pages. I'm going to say ProtonMail has a calendar. The reason I'm considering doing some sort of mainstream calendar is so that people can add my calendar to their phone so they can see when I'm going to be streaming and what I might be streaming about. Potentially I could even add calendar entries when the topics change. I've thought about doing that as well. Because then you can like go see when it changed or what I got. I mean, a lot of the material I make is calendar based, and there's so much now that I'm live streaming, so I want to be able to have people be able to find stuff easily and be able to go to a day might be the right way to do that. And Google Calendar has a pretty clean API. Actually, all of the Google services have really great APIs, including the spreadsheet. Google Sheets API is pretty damn awesome, even if I don't think you should put stuff in there because of the privacy issues. But we talked about that at length last week, and I'm trying to rethink that entire thing a little bit. ProtonMail Calendar is now beta. If for no other reason, I'm going to keep ProtonMail for a long time and pay them a lot of money. Because I pay them a little bit extra because I want them to succeed. Because I want them to succeed. Also, I like the options that they provide. So they give you a lot better options. They also, to get a custom email is like $5 a month. Yeah, so it's very inexpensive to have private email domains on ProtonMail. Gmail, they want $30 minimum, and you got to go through this total complicated system. So I'm going to stay with that. You can use a ProtonMail calendar app for Android. Another reason I'll be getting an Android and not something else. Yep. Dark mode and emojis. Looks pretty good. I imagine it has export ability. I'll have to try that. Anyway, so that was just kind of a side note. I do need to update my calendar, but rather than making a YAML file that has my calendar in it, I want to see if I can make it public. Oh wait, that was it. Interesting. Interesting. So we'll get with Git pretty soon here. Joplin? I don't know what that is. I do not. Well, that doesn't look like. Calendar app. But I wonder if you can open it. I suppose that's the real question, right? I mean, you know, how do you even find it? December 30th, 2019, so it's relatively new. Mark the date. I think I'm going to use this. Fully encrypted calendar app. What if you want to share your data? See, if you want to share your data, Gmail or Google Calendar makes a lot of sense. If you don't, the event title, description, location, and participants for every event are encrypted on your local device. Nice. And you'll see where we are right now. Log into your account, and you'll see Proton Mail, Proton Calendar on the sidebar. Let me check really quick. I don't see it. I see. Oh my god, I have like 37 gigabytes of storage. I gotta use that. I do not see it on the sidebar. I don't see it. I know I need to make coffee too, so I got stuff to do, but I'll be with you guys in a sec. I do have Proton Mail. Oh, okay. Apparently it's like right at the top. I didn't see it. I think you might have to sign up for it. I'm gonna say they have contacts. Contacts export. They don't have it. It must not really be baked yet. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put it on Gmail because I want people to be able to use it and see it. So everybody can look at my Google Calendar. You know what I mean? Will I be updating what is in my YAML file? Probably as well. Yeah. Alright. Give me a second. Grab coffee. Do. Morning meeting sucks. Depends on the meeting. It's probably true, Peter. I agree with that. Alright, so coffee is on, the coffee pod is on. And again, I'm not trying to push anything early in the morning right now. I'm just gonna go back to my Gitman page. And they're really loving this. So man Git. Why did they remove the video about it? Did they entirely remove the whole video? I want to know what happened to that video. I really have to understand that. Did it say? Does it say that? Did they just make it so you can't see it, or did they remove it? Holy shit. They took the whole 16-hour video down. That is insane. I'm still trying to decide what happened with that. I think I might have access to the video and then I can take it out and upload it. I know, we were looking for it last night and we couldn't find it. I need to understand this. This is really important for me. My video... Why would I get those moments, Clementino? But yeah, every day. If you still have the link, I don't know why I can't see it. That's what troubles me, is I can't see that. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's exactly the one I want, but that's the link, right? Holy shit. I mean, it's one thing for them. Configuring web server for front. Oh god, yeah. They do that all the time. That's why I've given up on monetization. I had like 5 seconds. No, one time I had like 10 seconds of like video, and they demonetized an entire 16-hour video. So then it's like, well, I shouldn't make 16-hour videos, and it's like too much fucking work after that point. Well, I definitely would do that, but that's work, Peter. I mean, I will do it, but it's work. So every time we add layers of work, like, oh, well, hey, just do this, just take these things out, just do this. Everybody's always full. I mean, I'm not bagging on you, but people are always full of recommendations. And then I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to fucking do it if it starts to be work. Because there's too many other things I have to do. Like right now, I'm already pissed off because it's early and I don't have my coffee, and now I'm being told this big old long video I had to not even viewable. This stuff here, see how come these aren't linked? I found out for a fact if you go over 12 hours, you can't have chapter links. Wait, so that was 2:45. So 2:44. No, I was actually done with that previous topic and needed a new one, comrade. So this. Let's see how much to go. So, can you even get to this? So you're telling me you can't even get to this? Yeah. So is Pearl, though. So, first of all, we have to discover what the criteria for the best first language are. Okay, so So
Let me start everybody out with that, right? The free. I have objective evidence that free code camp web development in particular is a massive waste of time. The Odin project is a phenomenal approach that I really approve of. Everything.
Okay, wait a second. Did it skip it? Now, can you not see this? Because I obviously can. That's the thing I don't understand. I don't even get a chance to see what I can't see. You know? I have to do it in a private tab. You're absolutely right. Let's do that. That's okay. That's the secret. You can't see the video at all. Until hacker rounds. What state? What country are you in? Because I did see some notifications about stuff in certain countries. It's just crazy. I want my own RTMP server so I can do my own shit. Yeah, I know how. I want to do this other thing first. There's the claims. Because I've been getting copyright claims, but the claims are not usually blocking content. Usually they're, you know, they just make it so you can't monetize it. And that's what concerns me, is that they might be like doing Denmark. That's like one of the best sessions we had. It was very ad hoc. See, look, partially, this is what I got. Partially blocked. So apparently it's partially blocked, not part of the video is blocked. This video is blocked in certain areas of the world. Wow. Look at my sound. That was a long one too. That entire thing is blocked. Oh, there you go. No, I didn't see that before. I saw me in Wisconsin. We can't reach many people if the fucking video is blocked. You know, whatever. See details. Yeah. I don't give you this video at all. Well, I don't care. I mean, seriously, I showed one skit from SNL and the whole 16 hours is gone. It's all gone. I played one John Wick music. I say, okay, let's just do this. I have the videos. I have them all. Yep. Might have to re-upload the whole thing. So, yeah. Well, the which is the best first editor needs its own video. That I need to chop that out anyway. Because so many people are going to access that. That's going to be a really popular video. So I'll make that one into a video. That doesn't take that long. It will take me about a half an hour to an hour though to do it. This just makes it more clear to me that I have to go follow through with my idea of creating a YAML file instead of like updating chapters the way I have been doing it. I need to make a non-service specific YAML file that goes with my recorded video, so that I know exactly where to go in the video to start doing the clipping and stuff. I can even automate that. Because you can split videos up by time, you know, through automation. I need to finish that up. I've got that started. It's very exciting. I can't do anything with this video unless I chop it up. So, I mean, this has been a learning experience for me, because I thought at best I would get demonetized and I could still show the video. And they're like, no, fuck no, you can't even see anything of it. We're going to shut you down completely. And that is not okay. It's just a crapshoot, man, what you can show and what you can't. The entire copyright thing is really stopping humanity from progressing. It really is. I mean, I get why it's there, and there needs to be some equitable resolution to the whole problem. But this, as more and more people start live streaming, this whole Metallica shit that just hit Twitter is exactly indicative of the problem. There's so much people are just living their lives, and all of a sudden they capture, some, no kidding. So one of my videos that got blocked, it was a 12-hour video, got blocked because they played a song at the pool. They had a family video. I shared a little bit of the family video, and the song at the pool got picked up and blocked the whole video. That's not a sustainable model for where we're going with the world in terms of bots and stuff. When the channel has too few subscribers, yeah, that's for damn sure. Twitch does that too. There's like literally DJs playing copyrighted music with like millions of subs, and they're partners on Twitch, and they don't give them shit at all. They just let them do it. It's like they take out 2,000 other people, and then they leave the DJs because they're remixing the copyrighted material. And it's so hypocritical. Once again, the people who have the money get to make the rules. Yeah, it's just nuts. The video will be private before published. Anyway, I got to grab some coffee and relax. Nobody wants to hire. They can't hire enough people. They cannot. This is the problem. The reason that the current state of affairs in terms of copyright is not going to be sustainable is because everyone is streaming and producing content. Everyone. There will never be enough people to curate all that, to look through it. There's never. So they have to depend on AI, which means they either have to turn off the AI or turn it down, or they have to stop doing it. What makes this song great? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do about this. Welcome to the world of content creation, right? I will say this. What if this had been a video that I had actually cared about? I mean, I did care about that video, but what if I'd actually put hours and hours of team, effort into making it, and then having... No wonder the internet today and people like that get so pissed off when their videos get demonetized. Because they put in a tremendous amount of work into a 20-minute video, and then have the whole thing blown out after doing 40, 50, 60 hours of work on the video. I mean, for me, having a live stream not show up or get blocked like this is super annoying, but I can go cut it out and update it. And I didn't really lose money. If you put that much time and effort into a video just to have it blocked, I just imagine those people go nuts because they don't have any alternatives. And this is where you get like a twit, right? I tell you what, if there is one thing I promise that I will do with money contributed to the stream through Patreon or whatever you want to do, that money, one of the top priorities of that money is to pay for an RTMP stream that people can add to their IRC so that this is never a possibility. And I will always be pushing to Twitch and to YouTube because at least there's backup. Apparently this video is okay in the VODs. Did you guys notice that? You can get to this video in Twitch. If you go to this, somebody confirmed last night that if you go to the video in Twitch on the VODs on the same day, the video is there and you can see it. But it's not on YouTube because it's been taken down. So that's one massive plus for dual streaming to 2 platforms. And I will really want to push to 3 platforms. I want to push to my own server RTMP relay. I want to push to YouTube and to Twitch all at the same time so that people have the maximum possibility of knowing where the content is and how to get it. I am not going to be editing videos and putting them up. In fact, if anything, I'll go back and watch the video and we'll do a new one. It's actually faster for me to cover that topic again than it is for me to go down that path and go get all this shit together and everything. I could just put a topic right now and say, what's the best editor for you? And go find the file that has our criteria in it, summarize what we already did. It took us 90 minutes anyway, and do the same thing in 30 minutes and make a better segment. So, KDE Live, yeah, it's pretty good. I've heard that too. I haven't used it yet, but I don't plan on doing any video editing. Nope. I'm not gonna do. I'm. It's just too much time. It's too much time. I'm just gonna stream what I'm already doing. But I'm not. I'm not. I am not content creating for money. I'm content for creating for contact. Content creating for contact and networking. And so if I have to spend time, I mean, isolating things, the whole point, the biggest solution to a guy like me is to create catalogs of the live stream video that people can click into. And it doesn't play well. It doesn't get you lots of hits. It doesn't pull up in the SM and the SRE and all that stuff, which might be okay. But it allows me to indicate where people can go to find content. And that actually explains a lot, because the other day I was trying to link on a search that was going to find these videos and it didn't find them. I was like, what? That should have been the first hit. I feel better about my video tool for that sort of thing. So yeah. I mean, that's 22 hours of video thrown out. The entire weekend last week was just chucked, and all of the editing for the chapters that I did is a complete fucking waste of time. Complete fucking waste of time. So the problem with this is if I start avoiding monetized content like I showed you last night, you know, like the stuff from Cyberwar by Cyberwar, which I have purchased. I paid for the whole thing. I mean, I know that's not the law, blah blah blah, but that stuff. It's not like I'm willfully going against the law. That's not what this is about. This is about mostly about a little bit of video here, a little bit of video there, but whatever. I gotta stop. I wanna do something else right now. I'm kind of annoyed, grumpy, because I work hard, and then to have them just throw it all out, it's like, what the fuck did I even do it for? This is why it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm telling you, I got demonetized and blocked because of my kids doing hula hoop at the pool. I got demonetized and almost blocked because I covered the inauguration of our president. That one I had to dispute, and I finally got it pulled. They pulled a dispute by some random Japanese company. The algorithms that are doing this are going to do it to me whether or not I pull up an SNL video. So they're just completely capricious and random. And so I either have to not care or I have to produce new video. Up on that because I went to sleep when you did. Oh boy. Yeah. This is, you know what the best part about this is that, how's it going, JP? Is it that things change so frequently that there's a good chance I'm going to cover that topic in another week, and the new information, not flip-flopping necessarily, but the new information will have rendered the other video useless. I was going back through my videos while I was looking at the editor thing, and I was realizing how much of that content is completely useless. And then I was like, well, should I even be saving this at all? And I do think you should, but I almost think all of my content should age out after a month. All of it. Because you need to revisit, in tech, you need to revisit these things all the time. Best editor, I use caps lock. Yeah, I did. Well, part of the thing I covered was I use caps lock now for that. I changed it over, and I have a thing in my Vim for that. I'm going to leave this topic now and come back to the Git topic. Yeah, it's up to you guys. It's just up to you. I do control F bracket a lot still because it's in my muscle memory. Oh my god, really? Why would you name your company that? That seems very silly. I'm gonna grab coffee. I'm trying to regain my composure. All right. I think I have an answer, and I'm just going to capture this right now. If you're here for the Git stuff, sorry. I'm actually going to change the topic. Because what I want to know is how big of it is a deal to drop the stream and bring it back again. For me, it's a big deal because I have to edit stuff. Emergency topic change, exactly. So there's a couple of Git is fun. I know we're gonna do Git, I promise. But the long and story short of this, the TLDR, is I have to start making videos that are more granular. So because even if, let's say for example I decided to do my own thing, I would still have a 16-hour video that I'd have to upload, right? Instead of several videos that I would have to upload. But if I start doing hour-long videos, it's going to annoy the shit out of everybody. Don't forget to stash, right? Funny. Haha, don't do what he's doing, saying. Alright. Yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna drop the stream and restart it.